This video is not sponsored by Corona. Hope they do though. Hello everyone, this is Brian. Today I'm going to talk about Lobster Fest. Key West celebrates its upcoming lobster season by holding a Lobster Fest in town. Lobster Fest lasts for 4 days, from Thursday to Sunday. The footage I'm showing you right now is a Saturday, which they have a street fair in the Duval Street. You can get tons of lobster related food for reasonable or very cheap. Many people visit Key West for a Lobster Fest. The street fair was about 4 blocks wide. Let's just walk down the street with me for a while. While I was walking, I finally figured out what do I get for myself. In front of the Willie T's restaurant, the smell was so good I couldn't resist to get their lobster tail. I finally got my lobster tail and it's time to eat. Oh wait, before I eat, let's take a closer look. Right after I finished my lobster tail, it started raining and it was time to go home. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, see you next time.